Got a question asking if a landlord can give a tenant a 3-day notice to move. Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, the answer to this question, it depends on the context, okay? And a landlord could give a tenant a number of different types of 3-day notices. The most common one would be, an example would be for non-payment of rent. You know, the 3-day notice to pay rent or quit, okay? You got to pay your rent that's owed, or you got to move out within 3 days. Okay, excludes weekends, judicial holidays. There are other notices for 3-day notices as well too, such as if you're violating a material term of your lease or rental agreement and the item's fixable. Let's say you agreed that you would maintain a trash utility service, for example, and you forgot to pay your trash bill and the landlord's getting notified by the trash company that there's a delinquent balance. Well, a tenant could be given a 3-day notice to go fix the issue with paying their trash bill, or they have to move out, okay? And then there's 3-day notices for nuisance, waste, using the property for an unlawful purpose, or criminal activity. Okay, those have no opportunities to quit if you're engaging in that type of behavior. So a landlord could ask, hypothetically, a tenant to leave under those circumstances if they don't comply with the notice, that type of deal. Okay, and we're talking most landlord-tenant relationships. There are some 3-day notices to quit for certain types of evictions, such as an eviction after sale. Say a owner was foreclosed on, or they voluntarily sold their property to another buyer, and that owner that sold their property won't leave. Okay, though they can be issued a notice to vacate within 3 days. So it just depends on the context here. But yeah, hypothetically, yes, someone could be evicted, or a tenancy could be terminated on a 3-day notice. Okay, landlords, if you're in the Northern California area and you don't know what type of notice to issue, or you don't know California law as to terminating tenancies, that type of deal, feel free to reach out. We might be able to help out. Put your comments, questions down below. Try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, we'll talk to you then. See ya.